I am your mentor. Today I will discuss about to all points related to your circle. So one by one, watch here. Okay. So today I will also discuss what is radius, diameter, secant, tangent, and everything about circles. Okay. So starting from the zero to advanced. Okay. Advanced all point. So first of all, I draw here one circle. Okay. So here is your circle, and perimeter of a circle is called a circumference. Okay, so it is your circumference. Okay, and in circle have a one center inside. Okay, it is called your center. And when we draw a line from to circle center to circumference, it is called a radius. Okay, so it is called radius. This point is called radius. It is called radius. Okay, and longest line is called chord. So when we meet any other point to this point means center, now it is make a diameter. These two are make a diameter. Okay, and one thing you also remember, diameter formula. So diameter formula is 2r. Okay, means when we add two radius and make a one line, it is called a diameter. And now it is divided into two parts, so it is also called semicircle. It is also called semicircle. Okay, so now we have done radius, diameter, center, circumference. Okay, now come on the different points. So now I will take center to this point and center to this point. Okay, so inside this area is called a sector. This area is called a sector. Okay, so I mention here this point is called a sector. Okay, so remain all parts. The remain all parts is called a major sector. It is called a major sector. And in this part, okay, C A B. So area of C A C B, area of A C B is called a minor sector. Is called a minor sector, and all remain part of the circle is called a major sector. Okay, got my point? What I'm saying here? Clear? Okay, and now come on the arc. What is arc? Very confusing point. What is arc? Okay, so A to B, and when we draw a circular line like, okay, this is it is called arc. A to B in a curved line is called arc. Okay, so it is called a minor arc. Okay, and now is A to B here, just above side of the circle is called a major arc. From here to here, okay, it is called a major arc. Okay, clear? It is minor arc, it is major arc. Now come on the segment. What is segment? Okay, segment means this one. Okay, and now we put here point, means it is a P, it is a Q. So it is here is P, here is a Q, and this area is called a minor segment. It is called a minor segment. And all remain area like all this is, it is called a major segment. It is called a major segment. Okay, everything is clear. And now come on the what is secant and what is tangent. secant and tangent points is very important for the class 10. Okay. So what is tangent? Okay. Now we draw here one line. What's here? From to this one. Okay. Like this. Okay. And now I put this name x, x and y. I put name here x and y. So what is the definition of a tangent? Tangent definition is when any line passing through any point of the circle at circumference is called a tangent. Okay, when any line passing through the center of any point of a center is called a tangent. Okay, so it is called a tangent. Clear? And then after come on the second. What is a second? Okay, so okay, second. Now focus here. It is your second. Okay, what is the definition of second? Okay, what is the definition of a second? When any line intersect of any 2 points of the circle, like you suppose here uh, m and n. It is suppose here it is m, it is n. So what is the definition of a second? When any line intersect or on a, circle at any 2 points is called a secant. Okay, so and one thing is also remain here. What is a chord? Okay, so what is your chord? So here I draw chord. Okay, it is called a chord. Clear? So every point I related to write it here on your board: radius, diameter, major arc, circumference, semicircle, tangent, diameter, everything. And one thing is also remain here. What is a concentric of circles? Okay, when we draw here, if I draw here one circle, okay, and both circles have a same center, is called a concentric of a circle. Clear? So finally everything is clear related to your circle. Okay.